大家好. Good morning, everyone. I'm Elton Tsang, Senior Regional Director of NSP Taiwan. Thanks to Computex, inviting NSP to share our story and ambitions on resilience and efficiency. Per Andrew's introduction, we received a couple of valid questions from online and offline visitors, most like how NSP succeed in smart city and the smart automation world. What is the NSP view in innovation to industry and to the city in the future? So let me get starting some slides to you, answering your questions. Again, from NSP point of view, there will be 75 billion devices which connect and communicate on internet. In this page, you can see on the bottom side, most of devices are in application age, which is close to people, cross the street, and in factory. In the middle side, there will be 10 million up to 100 million networking edge to link every application edge. Also, we need millions of data center and cloud to execute data to fulfill our needs. In this ecosystem, we realize couple barriers why Andrew had pointed out. Smart connection up to 75 billion devices. First of all, how to make sure networking edge can provide well link, low latency to ensure data access well. Eventually, we realize TSN is a key element and a key function to enhance networking performance, ensure data and processing can be synchronous. Second thing, it will be a mess without cybersecurity. How to ensure data access in a safety environment is also the important we are driving. Energy consumption impacts CO2. Absolutely, power energy will be another key factor. Substantive iIoT working well in the future. We need the smart processor, high performance, and low power consumption for new billion devices, cross data center, cross networking edge, and application edge. Third thing, the talent shortage. Even global population continue to grow. However, edge society will be impact working quality. If we can build up an efficiency system in factory, build up more edge computing in city for better management, for example, to control the street light and the traffic, that helps to reduce the talent shortage. Workplace accident. More and more smart machines are doing well in dangerous environment to reduce casualty. I'm quite sure you see that. So those barriers are most important if we couldn't have the solutions. So we have three families of MCU and the processor, fitting every needs with our app and the sensor devices. For example, on the left-hand side, the traditional MCU providing a general function, while you only need in the subsystem without safety and the security concern. The only thing is focusing on the power saving. Of course, we can provide you the standalone safety and the security devices if you still need to build in. On the middle side, if you need the embedded system, for example, MCU plus the display, video, audio with safety and security requirement, Then we can provide you the crossover the MCU, which building our edge lock. As you know that we have a rich experience in security things for past years. This is our add-on value to help us facing the edge lock into the system. Make sure the internet connections with safety. Also, we build in machine learning in order to enhance the system performance and as we mentioned, the saving power consumption would be the mandatory to succeed the iIoT in the future. We are convinced machine learning will be the key factor to help us. On top of the crossover MCU, if you need more integration, for example, like the sensor sensing, then we have the application process to fit the high-end requirement. See the right-hand side. NXP provides a scalable and efficient processor for all your needs. We appreciate it to Advantech, a long-term partnership with NXP, engaging with the hardware platforms in couples of their ecosystem, bundle their software. This is a significant evidence to show NXP performance while we are talking about the smart things. For example, in the industrial and the city and home applications. I'm eager to share more other successful stories with you offline. Well, in the end, let me recap key messages for you. Population estimated at 7.7 billion in 2019. The latest projection will be the 9.7 billion in 2050. Economies continue growing. The total global GDP is foreseen to double between 2022 and 2035. This is inevitable demand for products will continue to grow. All of these devices and production substantially increase demand for electricity. You know, the demand in electricity shot up more than 5% last year. It means that we continue to increase the fossil fuel that will push the CO2 emissions. So we need a scalable in energy efficiency processor and connectivity. Make sure that we can provide the easily development and affordable machine learning, also uncompromise the security to the IIoT in the future. There is no one-size chip that fits all, so we provide couples categories for you. How to link the billions devices, how to ensure safety and security in the real world to fulfill the green, productivity, and the high efficiency for humans' life well. This is the NXP ambitions. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to join the NXP section. I'm based in Taipei, looking to have more contact with you. Have a nice day. Keep in touch.